AirPlay problems on Rogers and Xfinity networks often occur even when devices are on the same network. Network segmentation by Rogers Ignite gateways and Xfinity's Xfi modems can prevent device discovery. HDMI-CEC conflicts can cause sync failures, especially with certain TV firmware. Multicast filtering blocks AirPlay's Bonjour service, while CNAT and bridge mode limitations add complexity. A simple restart of your Apple device, receiver, and router is a top fix for temporary bugs. Verify devices are on the same Wi-Fi SSID and subnet using tools like Apple's wireless diagnostics. Disable VPNs and ensure WPA3 encryption compatibility to prevent blocking of multicast traffic. If restarting doesn't resolve the issue, enable CEC in your TV settings to ensure proper HDMI control. Check that no HDMI splitters are interfering with the connection, and verify there are no IP conflicts on your network. For Rogers Ignite routers, access your settings and enable multicast streaming to allow AirPlay device discovery. For Xfinity setups, ensure bridge mode is correctly configured to avoid network segmentation issues. For both Rogers and Xfinity, consider port forwarding UDP port 5353 for MDNS, or switch to a third-party router like Eero or Google Nest that natively supports AirPlay. Future solutions include Wi-Fi 7 adoption and cloud-mediated AirPlay, but these require cooperation from your ISP. Always check Apple support and ISP forums for any firmware-specific issues that may affect AirPlay.